Check out this 156-inch Just Video Walls micro LED display. This is probably different than any other display that you've ever seen before. It's different than a TV, it's different than a projector, and there's a lot of reasons why that is. What this is more like OLED than anything else, which means that each of these pixels is illuminated directly. There's no filter that it's going through, and there's no lens or reflective surface that's on it. And guys, SonXPlus technology is your partner for Just Video Walls displays in the Ottawa, Canada, Toronto area. This is the absolute best image, best display that exists on the market, period. And at Just Video Walls, we're very particular about who we authorize to be able to create experiences like this, because this is not a simple hang it on the wall, leave it, set it, forget it. This is a whole room experience. Notice very specifically down here below this wall is a full-length soundbar that was integrated by SonXPlus, designed and installed by SonXPlus, and it sounds absolutely incredible. But we didn't just hang some speakers on the wall and call it a day. No, this whole room was designed architecturally and acoustically to sound the absolute best, but give the homeowner this incredible experience. Some of the fun things that we do on this wall are multi-layering, so we're able to bring in multiple sports feeds at the same time. Imagine your home during the Super Bowl or whatever your favorite sporting event is. Everybody's gonna wanna be at your house, and SonXPlus makes it possible. So we would love to build a system like this for you. It doesn't have to be the same exact thing. It can be whatever size and shape you want. And we're gonna do it through SonXPlus. So if you would like more information about that, you can contact SonXPlus, or you can reach out to Just Video Walls at justvideowalls.com.